How to connect WordPress to Adsense. So the first step is to simply go to Google AdSense and then simply click on Ads and then simply click on Overview. Then simply choose by ad unit and then we're gonna do display ads. Then here what you're gonna have to do is simply choose a square, and then what you're gonna have to do next, you're gonna have to simply copy the HTML code. So simply click on copy code snippet, and then you're gonna have to simply go back to appearance, then go to widgets, and then you're gonna have to simply add a new widget. So simply type in HTML and then simply click on custom HTML, and then you're gonna have to simply paste the code, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply click on update, and basically that's all you have to do in order to connect WordPress to AdSense. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.